Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have DOOGEE S Punk and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose Settings. In it we must tap on our family and Parental Controls. As you can see now we have PG3, 2 visible game or applications Mobile Legends game. We need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to Parental Control and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included unrated, confirm by others, told, and save. You can also turn off your Parental Control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.